Welcome back to Tech Goods, your go-to channel for smart buys and real reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at a luxury upgrade for your backyard, the Domi Louvered solid wood post patio gazebo with metal frame. If you're thinking about transforming your outdoor space into something more stylish, private, and weather-resistant, this might just be what you're looking for. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know, from build quality to real user reviews, so you can decide if this premium gazebo is worth the investment. At first glance, the Domi Gazebo instantly gives off a premium resort-like vibe. With its solid wood frame and sophisticated metal roof, it's not just a shelter, it's a design statement. This gazebo is meant for people who want more than a basic sunshade. Whether you're planning a backyard barbecue, hosting a summer party, or just looking to unwind in style, the Domi Gazebo promises a luxurious and functional solution. It combines modern structure with classic materials, giving your patio or garden area an immediate upgrade in both comfort and aesthetics. The construction quality is where this gazebo truly shines. The frame is made from high-grade cedar wood, known for its durability and resistance to fading, rust, and weather damage. It gives the entire structure a warm, natural look that blends beautifully with most outdoor settings. The hardtop is constructed with galvanized steel and features a double roof design. This isn't just for looks, it helps block up to 99% of harmful UV rays and allows hot air to escape, keeping the interior cool and comfortable. The triangular corner support system adds extra structural stability, especially useful in areas with occasional strong winds. This gazebo is loaded with thoughtful features. Included in the box are side curtains and mesh screen panels, which zip closed for added privacy and bug protection. The curtains are flame-resistant and made of 180G M2 polyester with a PU coating, meaning they're both functional and weather-tough. These additions turn the gazebo into a cozy, enclosed retreat when needed. The design also incorporates pre-drilled bases, so it's ready for secure mounting, though it's important to note that the anchoring or foundation materials are not included. These features, combined with the solid roof and louvered sides, make the gazebo not just practical, but adaptable to different outdoor uses. The Domi Gazebo comes in a variety of sizes, ranging from 144 square feet to 240 square feet, offering flexibility depending on the scale of your patio or backyard. This size range makes it suitable for everything from intimate outdoor reading nooks to larger entertainment spaces. Its pergola-inspired design allows for airflow while still offering substantial protection from sun and rain. Whether you're furnishing it with a lounge set, dining table, or hammock, the gazebo adapts well to different moods and functions. It's clearly designed with multi-purpose use in mind, from casual family evenings to formal outdoor events. Now, let's talk about installation. The good news is that Domi includes all the necessary hardware, and the instructions are detailed and easy to follow. For most people, assembling this gazebo will take a few hours with the help of another person. The pre-drilled parts make alignment and fastening simpler, and the brand even offers 24-hour professional support if you hit a snag. That kind of assistance is a big plus, especially for DIY enthusiasts who don't want to spend an entire weekend trying to figure things out. While it's not a snap-together structure, it's far more user-friendly than many comparable hardtop gazebos. So what do actual users think? One user mentioned, "So far, I absolutely love the look of the gazebo and it feels very sturdy. I have not added the curtains yet, so can't speak to that piece. The gazebo went up pretty quickly and all parts were present. That says a lot about the initial build experience and visual appeal." Another long-term user shared, "So far, everything I've bought from Wayfair, I've been extremely impressed. I've had my gazebo for 2 years now and haven't had an issue with it. It's been through extremely bad weather, especially high winds. So far, so good." These comments suggest that the Domi Gazebo holds up not just in theory, but in real-world conditions, even over multiple seasons of wear and weather. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons. On the plus side, you get premium materials like cedar wood and galvanized steel, an elegant design with enclosed privacy features, and thoughtful extras like flame-resistant curtains and a UV-blocking roof. It's solid, stylish, and built for performance. Add to that the multiple size options, and you have a product that fits various needs and spaces. On the downside, the lack of included anchor or mounting materials could be a minor inconvenience, and the price point is on the higher side, though it's well justified by the build and features. You'll also need at least 2 people for installation, so it's not a solo weekend project. All in all, the Domi Louvered solid wood post patio gazebo with metal frame is a high-end investment in outdoor living. If you're looking for long-term value, structural integrity, and visual appeal, it checks all the boxes. Whether it's for hosting events or creating your own private retreat, this gazebo delivers on both form and function. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Goods for more in-depth reviews on products that truly upgrade your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.